Hi, and welcome to this episode of the Ask Dr. Asha series. I put together this series to help address the most common questions that have been asked to me over the last 2.5 decades through patients and clients on how they can start to feel better and live better. So today's question is, why should I meditate? How does meditation help me? I love this question because as we get busier and busier in our lives, usually this is when people are going to start seeking out the peacefulness and the calmness. Meditation has been around for thousands and thousands of years, and there are definite proven benefits of meditation. First of all, I want to say there's different types of meditation. I have seen over the years, not everybody is going to respond the same. Not everybody can sit quietly and meditate and just calm the mind, because some people really find that very overwhelming and almost impossible to do. So you've got to look at the different types of meditation. First of all, finding the type of meditation that works for you, whether it is listening to some soft music, or maybe using essential oils, or maybe a combination of the two, or maybe a guided meditation, or something where you're actually repeating a mantra or repeating something to yourself to help keep your mind and your body focused and calm. Breathing exercises, breathing meditation is one of my most favorite, because you get extra benefits of that, of also calming the physical body in conjunction with the mind. But you have to look at it for what works for you. Meditation can help with controlling and maintaining certain stress levels, being able to maintain your anxiety levels. I've worked with many people over the years that have dealt with a lot of anxiety and fear. No matter what the fear is based upon, that fear causes their energy and causes them to really be in their minds a lot, thinking a lot and overthinking a lot. And that's where a lot of stress and busyness comes from. When we can't calm our mind down, our body suffers from it, and vice versa. If we're constantly pushing, we can't get into the heal and really that calm, nurturing calmness that we need. We've got two parts of our nervous system that are working together all the time, and they are automated. Now, when the sympathetic and parasympathetic are not in balance, when the sympathetic is our fight or flight part of our nervous system that we need in order to get into action and to do things. However, if we stay with our sympathetic nervous system stimulated all the time, you're going to feel very stressed out. You're going to get the chances of burning out are going to be a lot higher. You're going to feel tired. You're probably not going to sleep very well. There's a whole list of things that happen. Now, whenever we stay in that high and we don't come down into the parasympathetic, into the calmness, into the rest, so the rest mode is where the healing starts. And that's where you can actually gain more focus and clarity. So some of the biggest benefits from meditation, and why I would advise you to consider meditation, any form of meditation whatsoever, even if it is a walking meditation where you're out in nature, whatever, listening to music, guided meditation. If you need some help in figuring out what all different types of meditation there are, please reach out to us. We definitely can provide you with a list of different types of meditations and help guide you in that way. But whatever it is, some of the benefits are going to be anxiety and stress management. You're going to have more energy. You're going to be able to think more clearly, get more focused, be more calm, be more even keeled, be more balanced in your life. You're also going to be able to sleep better. When we can start to calm the mind and bring more harmony, more balance, more equilibrium in our entire mindset, we also bring it to our bodies, and it also ripples out and echoes into our life and everything that we do. You've seen the leaders in businesses that are very calm and collected and don't get their feathers ruffled very easily. Those people more than likely are practicing some form of meditation or some sort of calmness that brings them into balance with themselves. So that way they can function actually with more clarity and more focus and be much more productive without being out of balance. So these are some of the benefits that can help you. This is why I have found that meditation is one of the best types of new rituals or new habits to try to cultivate. It doesn't mean that you have to meditate every single day, and it doesn't mean that it has to be all woo-woo either. I know a lot of people, I've worked with a lot of clients over the years that have been, in top management positions, and they were always worried about how it was going to come across, if it was going to be too woo-woo or out there. And there's nothing woo-woo about it. It's just about bringing more mindfulness, more awareness between your mind and your body to be able to give you better control over your stress, your anxiety, and get more focused and calm. So let me know how you do with this. I would love to hear from you. If you have any other questions that you'd like for us to cover on this series, please reach out to us at info@drashaprasad.com. And I look forward to connecting with you next time. Take care.